Okay, class. Today we discuss about theoretical background in your research methodology. In bahasa, you can say that landasan teori, dasar teori, ataupun literatur review. As you know, theoretical background will be written on chapter 2 on your thesis report. After you finish proposal, yeah, you can discuss with your supervisor, first supervisor and second supervisor about your chapter 1 and chapter 2. This meeting, this video will be introduced about how to explain, how to describe your theoretical background uh, in your thesis report. There is a 4 ways to make a good theoretical background. First is literature review. Second, you can choose advanced theory or specific knowledge to solve your problem. Third, you can elaborate with your another theory from other field. And then you can collect and you can explain the data set of your thesis. First, about literature review. As you know, literature review is activities that summary and uh, explaining something, explaining previous work related with your topics, with your thesis, with your problem, or maybe with your uh, next solution. Yeah. No need to separate each article into separate subchapter. So if you want, there is a 3 paper, you don't need to separate with 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. You don't need to separate this. You can classify your a lot of paper, a lot of literature, and you can make a one subtopic, uh, and its subtopic or its subchapter will be have many papers. Yeah, it's okay. And the second phrase or second part is advanced theory. In chapter 2, yeah, you must explain uh, many theory, many next level of your theory in computer engineering or IT informatic engineering is the same terminology as many algorithm like deep learning, education learning or education game, and distributed system or network security and everything according in your program, in your program. What is the meaning of advanced theory? Extension from the basic subject. What is the basic subject? Yeah, the example of basic subject is algoritma pemrograman, object oriented, human computer interaction, data structure, mathematics, statistics, and everything. Yeah, maybe as a simple way to measure this is a basic subject or not. If you want to know in semester 1 until semester 4, yeah, 90% of the subject is basic subject in informatic engineering or informatics. Yeah, so we recommended you to choose subject after semester 4 or fourth semester. You can remember what is the subject in semester 5th, 6th, 7th, and everything after fourth semester. Advanced theory can be related with self-learning. Yeah, you can elaborate from one subject and another subject. One knowledge, informatic engineering knowledge with educational knowledge. Yeah, educational psychology. Informatic engineering with uh, biotechnology. Yeah, you can combine or elaborate with uh, informatic engineering, algorithm, and everything with industrial engineering. This is self-learning or economic knowledge. And advanced theory is allowed to mention basic theory only as the opening part. If you want to make what is a database, what is an ERT, maybe one sentence only to intro just for bridge your explanation from general to specified. Theory from other field is the same meaning. Advanced theory it is self-learning. You can elaborate, you can combine, yeah, from another field with your competency. Yeah, data collected by another party. Data has been published and support your claim or related and used in some part of your thesis. Theory presentation for your thesis is first opening. Opening is required especially if the theory is from different field. Yeah, if you want to make tools to biomedical or bioinformatic, yeah, biological and informatic can be combined bioinformatic. So you can explain it the basic of biology or the basic of DNA and everything. This is the usability of opening. Yeah. Definition. Sometimes definition can help to understanding. However, this part is not compulsory. Moreover, if the theory only presented as a definition, is it considered not enough to support this thesis? Yeah. The important things is deep discussion. This part is the only compulsory part of theoretical presentation. The deep discussion is very critical because with deep discussion, it can help the reader relate the theory with your problem. Uh, Many measurement or many parameters that you must know to to choose what is the correct publication according with my problem in chapter 1. Another parameter is publication time. Yeah, you need to put research position with other previous research. You can tell, you can explain chronologically, time frame with time frame. If you want to make some new technology, new web technology, you can explain. Oh, first about computer network in maybe 70, yeah, 1970, 1970. Yeah, maybe the first computer network or everything device with networking. And 10 years later, maybe you can find technology about computer network and everything in time frame. Yeah, this is a chronological explanation. Time from time. So reader can enjoy and understand, yeah, uh, the historical of your technology. Yeah, the historical of your technology. Next, okay, wait a minute. Nah, second part is weird if you positioning your research after a long ago other research. Yeah. Please check your publication time and please check your literature. Yeah, is it obsolete or not? Is it uh, trending or not? Yeah, we recommended you to choose the latest technology, the latest solution. Yeah, in many database literature. This is why it's important to screening the publication date of your resources. Yeah, you can choose many resources, but we recommended you to choose the less resources and the correct or related uh, paper or books with your problem or with your description solution in your proposal. Yeah. Science may evolve over time. Yeah. It's like a human. It's like a knowledge. It's like a biological. Science evolve. It is better to build a solution based on the up-to-date theory, which improve the previous old one. This is why it's important to screening publication date in your resource. Okay, the newest, the better. The latest, the better. 5 years is common maximum or maximal threshold. However, in some cases, there is theory that a long time ago, one or two literatures like this is fine, but only one or two literature. Your core literature must be latest technology. Before you read, check check your topic. Is it relevant or not? Yeah, yeah. Before you read something, before you read book, before you read website, before you read journal, article, international conference, and everything. Yeah, check is it relevant or not with your problem and with your description of system in proposal. Yeah, you can select this first, filter this first. Next is author. Who is write this paper? Who is write uh, the book? Yeah. What is the competency? What is the knowledge, base knowledge of the author? Is competent or not? Is competence aligned with a field discussed or not? The third is time. The publication time up to date. Reputation. Reputable publisher or journal. Yeah. We collect some common mistake from your senior. Yeah. The first is a lot of people, a lot of students uh, write basic theory. Yeah, maybe 10 years ago, HTML, Android Studio, ERD, or statistic is it advanced knowledge? Maybe 10 years ago, or uh 15 10 15 years ago. Yeah, yeah, maybe HTML is a new technology. CSS is new technology. Bootstrap is a new technology. Yeah, but today HTML, Bootstrap, lagi ya, and everything. Yeah, you know, in one semester until fourth semester, first semester until fourth semester is basic. Second, only definition and basic introduction represented for important theories. Important theories, sorry, for a thesis. Not only definition. In chapter 2, please don't write definition only. Yeah, you can write what is the benefit of algorithm. What is the historical of this algorithm? What is advantages and disadvantages about this algorithm methodology technology? Yeah. You can deep explain it. You can deep explanation. You can make one, sorry, maybe 3 or 4 paragraph to explain, yeah, some technology or certain technology, and you can uh, explain it more, not only definition, but benefit, advantages, disadvantages, segmentation, and everything. The resource of your explanation is from book, journal, maybe international journal, national journal is okay. In bahasa, okay. In English version is okay. But you after you read this, yeah, you must compile here. I think I say compile in your brain, yeah, in your body, and you can write down again. Is it a paraphrase? Write down again in your thesis book. The third is all literature or most literature are outdated. Is it wrong? Yeah. Number 3, is it wrong? Yeah. You can choose up-to-date literature. We recommend it, and you must follow this, because if you don't uh, choose the up-to-date technology, maybe one month or 2 months later, maybe your solution uh, is not used again. The author of the sources cannot be justified having competency in the subject discussed. Maybe is it some example? Discussion on HCI, human computer interaction, with a nutritionist. Yeah, you know nutritionist who know about vitamin, about uh, protein and everything. Or discussion about virus by social scientists. Yeah, is it is it not correct? Not related? Yeah. All of most resources are not qualified from a reputable publisher or journals. Image or table presented without proper explanation. Explanation should be presented before the image or table. The size of the explanation, should be similar or exceed the image or table itself. Yeah. Okay, let's discuss. Yeah. Check out the theoretical background provided. Please check in URLs or check in our PowerPoint. Discuss how it was appropriately presented and give suggestion on how you would revisit it. There is a paper, 6 article, yeah. Maybe you can open one by one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can fill the blank, yeah. Uh, Fill the blank to our Google form. Yeah, I will share you a Google form, and you can input your argument, input your value, input your recommendation maybe, or critic and everything, and how, yeah, how you would revisit. Yeah, maybe it's time you to make some analyzing, yeah, the 6 document of example chapter 2. Good luck.